Looks like they're doing more stuff. Yeah, there's the forklift. Yep. The forklifts, when the trucks there, they found an easier way. They worked on the other side of the trailer part, so they were able to just pick them up and just load them onto the ground over there. I was wondering why I was hearing trucks.
Thank you very, very much. I appreciate you doing that. Yeah, I figured that. How are they doing?
They're doing all right. Yeah, she said she got bad news. Her preacher's leaving.
Oh, yeah.
Well, when it's kind of hard when you're being forced out of your church, just like the guy in California.